she ain't got a fucking get a toy. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these pants like you the Batman. You just wanna butt up in the designer with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Hit me up my song, I'm just having fun with shy. I ain't give you nothing, you can come push.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited to bring you this video because this is the video of me documenting installing my birthday hair. So my birthday hair is from Wow African Hair and I'm basically going for like a grown and sexy look. I have a frontal. It's like a BODYWAVE 16-inch frontal. I might trim it a little bit just so that it gives bob, but I'm going for a very like clean grown. I'm turning 24, okay? So I want to give like grown women, I want to give clean, sexy, edgy, but not doing too much. I'm not gonna do like baby hairs or anything. I'm very excited to install this hair because A, it's pre-plucked. It literally looks like scalp. It looks really good, and I know that we're not going to be spending a lot of time trying to maneuver it and trying to make it look natural because it already does. So I'm gonna go in with like a no baby hair middle part curly bob, very much grown, very much 24, very much happy birthday period. That's what I'm going for. I'm so happy that my birthday hair is coming from Wow African because every single time I have installed hair from that company, it's been beautiful. Not only has the hair texture itself been fantastic, but the lace, the HD quality of that lace has been fantastic. I also have never had to work too hard. Like I said, it's a pre-plucked unit, so I really never had to do much when it comes to Wow African Hair. It's been beautiful every single time, okay? I'm excited for how it's gonna look in my birthday pictures. I'm excited for how it's gonna look in my videos. So yeah, if you are interested in getting your hands on this wig or any unit from Wow African, if you love the quality and you're like, yeah, that's actually what I'm looking for in my next wig, then definitely go into my description box. I'll have the link for the unit that I'm going to put on. But I'm also gonna have Wow African site, so you can look at all the styles, all the ranges, all the textures, all of that. Because if you like the wig that I'm installing today, you're gonna love all their other wigs. Try their pre-colored units, try their different textures. Wow African is where it's at, it really is. But let me stop rambling because I do not want to be late. Let's go and install this hair, girl. Okay guys, so this is me. The salon that I installed my hair at is called the San Hair. I went to the Four Ways branch and I basically just took off my wig and we're about to get started. The first thing she did was clean off my hairline just because I'm going to be actually using glue this time. I normally use Got2b, but we used lace glue this time. And she said that it's better if you don't have a wig cap underneath an HD lace because it's just going to show more, and especially because my wig is very well pre-plucked. I wanted to show you guys a up-close video of the actual lace. You can see that that HD is impeccable, and you can see that that pre-plucking job, oh my god, perfect. Look at that. So you could see that if I did a ball cap, it would have showed. So this is her just cutting off the ear tabs, and then she tinted the lace. And I really do appreciate this step because I wanted to also just, you know, slay the hair even without makeup. I was going to wear makeup, but I wanted it to still look good without. And then this is the glue, guys. I used glue for the first time. I was so nervous, but I'm actually enjoying it. And yeah, I'm okay with it. It's really not that bad. I do have a good remover, like a lace glue remover, so I'm feeling pretty confident. And then she goes ahead and dries it just so that when it's clear, she knows it's tacky and we can, you know, lay the actual lace on the glue. So this is us doing that, and she made sure to pull the sides very tight because I didn't want the lace lifting in the middle. That normally happens if the lace wasn't pulled tight to your hair. And the lace is very stretchy, which is a great thing. This is just great lace, you know. I speak about the lace a lot because because it's the most important part of a wig. So Wow African's lace is perfect. This is me contemplating if I should cut the hair. I decided not to. It just looked so feminine and cute. I kept the full 14 inches and yeah, it looked great. I was feeling myself. I really was. And then she goes ahead and puts a wax stick on the parts just to define it. And you guys, I did not curl my hair. Literally, this is the curl that this hair comes with. This is her putting like a conditioning treatment on my hair. Girl, there is no heat, no nothing. This is the curl that this hair comes in. Amazing. So this is me after I got my makeup done. I am slaying, you guys. I looked so good. I love this hair. I still have it on right now as I'm doing this video. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So go into my description box, guys, click the link and shop Wow African hair. But I will see you in my next video. Bye.